So after some struggles, I just opened this one. This one is sealed, so that's why it's so difficult to open. And on top of here, it is also sealed. So this is double seal. It says original. How to open this one? It says lift. You say lift and a pull. So I lift this one and a pull. So a lift and a pull. Oh, it's peeling nice and easy on the edges. Oh, it's peeling. So that's how to open this one. So the final part is to take your oil. Final part is this one. So this top here, this is the place whereby I will be filling another oil. So this oil goes back to the gearbox. How to fill the oil from here? You can fill it by two ways. If we have a small funnel, you can use it. But if you are so assured that you can aim for this oil here and then you want to spill on the other side, it's a good idea also. But for me, I don't have a funnel, so I will just aim directly. So you just take your oil and then you aim directly. Be gentle so that you don't spill any oil down, because if you spill the oil down, that's a loss. But also it reduces the volume or the amount of the oil needed for the engine.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So you can clearly see here there is oil indication down there, but there is some amount of the oil which has been going down there. So that's it, guys. So after make sure that you have filled all the oil in the engine, you take this top cover, which is plastic made, and then you place it back. Make sure it is well secured so that there is no other particle like stains which may get down to the place where oil is placed. So thanks guys for watching, and that's all for today. See you on the next one.